Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you an overview of what these Christmas lights look like on a tree. And so from an example standpoint, this particular tree is about 11 or so feet tall. This tree also has 3 of these strands of lights. And so you can kind of see there's a pretty good coverage. And again, this all depends on how you put the lights on. The style that I like is where you push it in towards the trunk and then pull it out and then go up and push it in and then go up and then go back and forth versus just kind of wrapping it. You just get sort of a fuller light effect. Little Christmas tree lighting hack there. Now this is 3 strands. The strands are also can be connected end to end. This is what they look like up close. So I'll give you sort of an idea what they look like. So they fit, you know, it's between my 2 fingers there. It is a green wire, and they are set up to be indoor, out or outdoor. Regular outlet plug, and then they have waterproof caps so you can connect them end to end. Also, these lights I've had for a number of years, which is why I was waiting to do this review to see how they would hold up to the test of time, taking them off, putting them back on, put them in storage, all that fun stuff. They are all lit, and I haven't found a situation where individual lights go out. I don't know what would happen if one went out. I can't share that. Never had that happen because these lights seem to be of pretty good quality. So hopefully that helps in your search for the latest and greatest Christmas lights. I get all your questions answered, and we will talk to you soon.